Welcome back everyone to the #1 trusted name in tech. Now I'm going to show you a process of exactly how to install a full iOS 13 version on any Android device. It'll work on any Android phone that has ever came out, including Samsung, LG, OnePlus, HTC, whatever you call it. Now before you continue, it would help if you already have an iOS device, but if you don't, that's perfectly okay. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have a computer handy. It can be a Windows or Mac, it doesn't really matter. Now you want to make a backup of your iOS device. Now like I said, if you don't have an iOS device handy, you can always download an IPSW file online. So there's tons of different websites, you can Google them. IPSW.me I think is a great website you can go on. Now the next thing, once you have that IPSW file downloaded or you have a backup, you want to locate that backup on your machine. Usually it's like in some sort of file on under iTunes or Files app or whatever. On Windows I'm sure it's different. Now you want to plug in your Android device into your computer, and at this point all you want to do is go onto your desktop after your phone is fully connected and it picks up on your screen and everything. You want to make a folder on your desktop and you want to name it the specific binary code file, and this is the only way it's going to work, and if you don't put it this way then it's possible it's not going to work. And you want to do it exactly, and I'll put it on the screen now. You want to type in 5L capital 00FL1RPA. And once you type that in, what you have to do is go ahead and keep it on your folder. Now while your phone is connected, you want to drag that IPSW file or that iTunes files backup that you made earlier, and you just want to drag that into that specific folder. And once you do that, the phone will begin, doing some crazy stuff. The command prompt's going to open up on the phone, and eventually it's going to boot straight into iOS, which is so crazy. And I remember last year I made a video like this too, and it was unbelievable, but it was the exact opposite. It was how to install Android on an iOS device, and now we have it working on a full Android device, and I'm using it on my Samsung Galaxy S20, and I can tell you it's definitely a little glitchy here and there, but it's definitely worthwhile. And at first I was like, do I want to give up on One UI? One UI is a great software. TouchWiz was probably the best software in my opinion, but I do believe iOS has some really cool capabilities too at the end of the day. And all the data that you had from your previous backup works out too, if you guys can see. But again, if you have a brand new IPSW file that wasn't a backup, then obviously none of that data will be transferred over. And the only way to delete this is if you go back to factory data, so you have to factory reset it and everything. The bootloader still works on this thing too, but I still think it's a very cool little thing, and if you have the capability to do it, I would highly recommend doing it. It doesn't take too much time. It's super easy. All FaceTimes, iMessage, all that stuff works. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, leave it down in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel, all those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys could check it out. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.